Today we're showing you a 2024 John Deere 5090E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor is practically new. It has, I believe, 40 or 50 hours on it. It's practically a new machine here. Does come with the balance of the factory John Deere warranty, which runs into 2029. Also has the loader prep package with a loader joystick and frames already on the tractor. So adding a loader to this machine can certainly be done very easily. 5090E is rated at 90 horsepower. Tires are like new as you would expect. Fork lights on front and back of the cab. 18430 rear tires. Extendable 3-point arms. Does have the top link with it. Dual remotes back here. Just about as close to new as we can find for you. We normally do have loaders available to fit these tractors, so if you are wanting a loader with this tractor, we can certainly help you with that. It does have the nice air ride seat. The seat is upgraded from previous model years. Seat swivels left and right. Also has some extra adjustments up here for the depth, and then also is a full air ride seat. It's a very, very nice seat here. Has a 12-speed power reverser transmission, which allows direction changes without clutching. Still smells new in the cab. Looks like that John Deere warranty runs into 2029. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at massedtractor.com.